Hey, I'm Paul with Rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2018 through 2022 and likely beyond Lexus RX L with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these molded rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets, and then 4 fasteners. So these pieces all have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are in the instruction sheet to help guide in the correct placement on each of the feet. So here's one of the Evo Flush Rail feet, and I'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. And with that cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post, and on these individual components they have of the fitting kit, they have not only numbers but also letters that are assigned to them. So for example here, the inner bracket has the letter A, and so that would help instruct in the order of installation. So A would be installed first, so we just put that in place there. And then the rubber base is letter B, and so B would go on next. We just press that to the underside. And then C is this outer portion of the clamp, and that just hinges on the top there and comes down. And then we have the fastener here, and the fastener just threads into place to hold those parts together. Now the next step would be to install this foot onto the load bar. So here we have the WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've actually cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is this dedicated track along the top of the bar. That track is accessed by opening the end cap, so you can slide in the approved hardware to hold certain accessories and carriers directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Now to install the foot, we'll just take off that end cap, and here you can see we have an underbar slot. Within that slot, we have this measuring device that has numbers. Now there are no mention of the numbers in the instruction sheet. However, you can use these numbers to manually center the load bar on the vehicle roof. So when it's time to slide this on, it just slides into place. And then at this stage, we'd want to return the end cap into place. That end cap will prevent the foot from sliding off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering this onto the side rails and installing it on the vehicle. Next, we have a tool that's included with the foot pack to tighten this fastener. And so generally you tighten 50% on one side and 50% on the other side, tightening these clamps to the side rail. And when you tighten these clamps on, it's simultaneously tightening its position onto the bar as well. So one fastener has 2 purposes here. So as I tighten, as I get to the final recommended tightness, this tool handle will actually click, and that indicates that you've tightened it completely. So I'll go ahead and do that and we can hear those clicks there. Okay, and then we can return that outer cover into position with a snap. And there's a plastic plug there that you would use to hold that cover into place. Just give that a quarter turn. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. So that metal lock cylinder, as you see here, is sold in a set of 4 to lock all 4 of your feet using the same key. You can also purchase these cylinders in sets of 6 or 8 in order to lock not only your base roof rack system, but also your accessories and carriers that are part of Thule's one key system, all using just one key. Now another thing you may notice is we have an exposed track on the underside. We can fill that in with this rubber that's provided with the load bars, and that'll help maintain good aerodynamics on the underside of the bar as well. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Evo flush rail base roof rack system for the 2018 through 2022 and likely beyond Lexus RX L with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Also, please like the video if you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And if you would like, please subscribe to our channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we generally upload new videos weekly. And thanks for watching.